Want to add music to your video project? I'll show you how to add a soundtrack in Premiere Rush in just few easy steps. First, open your project and click on the Media tab. Import the music file from your computer by dragging and dropping it into Premiere Rush. Next, drag the music file to an audio track in your timeline. You can trim it to fit your video and adjust the volume levels. If the music is too loud or too soft, adjust it by clicking the audio track or using the volume slider. Drop a comment below if you are adding music to your project now. Now you have got a perfect soundtrack. Adjust the audio to match your video's mood. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.